In this video, we will learn how to use filter function in Excel sheet. Here I'm going to teach you the unique trick of the filter function. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Here I have a name of some employee with the department name also here mentioned. So I want here the list as the IT department, the name of employee, finance department, name of employee, and HR department, name of employee. First, we will just copy and paste here of IT employees. Then we'll copy and paste of finance employee. This take time consuming. So here I have some simple trick by using the filter function. So I use here the filter function. Filter. Select the name of employee. Okay. Then fix the range of employee by press the F4. I just press then use the comma and select the department name of employee, then use the F4 again to fix the range of selection. So use the is equal to and select the IT department. Bracket close and enter. That's it. Here you see all IT department employees name automatically filter here. Same formula I'm drag here in this finance and HR department list. So here you go. You find all details in quickly by using the filter function in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.